Have you ever seen a machine slice through a giant tree in seconds? Get ready, it's happening.
This road is barely wide enough for a single vehicle, yet they managed to load the truck full of timber. What's truly impressive is that they were moving through the harshest weather of the year. Heavy rain made the ground slippery and extremely dangerous. A stubborn tree's stump stands firm, its roots gripping the earth like iron claws. The stump twisting machine edges closer. The engine roars to life, and the massive steel auger begins to spin, drilling deep into the hardened ground. With each powerful twist, ancient roots are ripped free, pulled upward in spirals. Soil, roots, and debris swirl into the air. Under the operator's precise control, the machine methodically overcomes the stubborn stump. In just minutes, what was once an immovable stump is now a cleared, clean surface, ready for new projects. Once again, mechanical power triumphs over nature's resilience. Combine both cutting and splitting wood. With just a chainsaw and hydraulic system, it can process tons of wood every day. Bobcat T770 with a fecund mulcher doesn't ask permission. It clears whatever's in its path. Ủa nha, đáp quân tương lai nhìn phân quên mẹ ta quên tất vay khoảng 42 ba một vé phai tạnh dậy cho ai đó rồi đủ biết sao nghe đây này phát đi được phân bổ à tính sự đuổi đưa chứ đó phải đã đi bằng một tiếng ổ nha It looked like just another day on the job site, until the rocks started to move. The EC480 and B7540 had to prove their worth fast. Makes you think, no matter how well you plan, the ground has its own ideas. In the large garden, Workers use a chainsaw with a long bar to trim large branches, then switch to cutting straight into the tree trunk. Each cut is neat. Sawdust falls on the green grass. Yeah. The snow-covered hills are a playground for the tiger cat, LX822C, showcasing its ability to handle challenging environments with ease. From its adaptive hydraulic system to its stable, reliable tracks, this forestry machine thrives in snow, proving that no environment is too demanding. I'm liking the background play, yes. What the heck exactly? Scan that. Click right. Over. Non è che becco lupoli in mezzo. Mamma mia, dove si rotten here? Attenti al lupo! In a thin haze of drifting dust, the remote-controlled bulldozer slowly rolls forward toward the thick underbrush. With cold precision, its razor-sharp steel teeth lower methodically, fighting into the dense tangle of bushes and grass, grinding and pulling them in like a silent predator on the hunt. Oh, there's no deafening roar. Only the crunch of metal compressing and the soft, brutal sound of vegetation being torn apart. With every advance, another section of wild forest is leveled, leaving behind bare, flattened earth. Neat, clean. Tell them I'll never finire. The chainsaw roars to life, its engine growling through the forest like a beast awakened. The sharp blade spins with fury, a declaration of its unstoppable power. In the hands of the operator, it lunges toward the massive tree trunk with focused precision. Each cut slices clean through the thick wood, Within moments, the once imposing trunk is carved apart, neatly, brutally, a powerful display of man and machine working as one. Don't crosshairs on it. You're going to the charge. Right in the hole. He sees it. It's running. It's running. Look at that. Not bad at all. them uprooted from way on the ground, reached protruded. The worker, holding the chainsaw in his hand, began to cut deep into the trunk. The machine warned. Sawdust flew everywhere. A few minutes later, the tree trunk was severed.